Since 1967, D&H Secheron embarked on a remarkable journey, revolutionizing the welding industry with their groundbreaking products. Now, we are launched Secheron 308L, the ultimate stainless steel welding electrode manufactured by D&H. Our product features excellent slag detachability, all-position welding capacity, excellent striking and restriking, makes this electrode a top choice for welder. With low spatter levels and flawless bead appearance, it surpasses all other brands in the market. It is the perfect welding consumable for AC transformers with low OCV also. Experience the unmatched performance with Secheron 308L. Secheron 308L stainless steel electrode. Book now sample.